This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lori Scarnecchia. Fantastic location in East Boca, close to everything. The laundry room and assigned storage unit are just steps away, along with an assigned parking space and plenty of guest parking. Rent covers water, sewer, and trash removal. You can easily walk shopping, bus stops, the public library, Mizner Park, and more. Brightline has no plans to sell, and all schools are A-rated, with Boca Elementary just 2 blocks away. An ideal downtown Boca spot. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.